Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look into 5 Android Studio tips for 2024. Firstly is fixing sound quality issue on macOS. So it happened to me that I was listening to music, and as soon as I ran the emulator, I find out that the music quality is decreased a lot. So to avoid this, you have to follow this instruction. So let me just go quickly and show you guys how it is. So for example, you can for this emulator I have already done this, so you can check also from here. Go to the view details. As you can see on the bottom, I have already opened it. You see hw.audio input. You have to just disable the audio input. So you have to know that when you disable this audio input, you won't be able to use your mic anymore for the emulator. So just if you want to test something with the audio, just remember that you have to enable it back again. Then after that, you have to cold boot the emulator and change it. So it is very easy. As you can see here, we can see only what are the configurations for the emulator. And if you want to change them, you have to go show on the disk. When you go show on a disk, there is a config.ini. I'm not able to open this guy, so let me just put it here. So you can just go here, you don't need to disable audio output, but you need to disable audio input. And if it is not there, you have to add it. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the next one, and let me close this window also. So the next one is about disabling run window switching. So if you go here by default, on the bottom, this active tool window is on. So when you run the application, for example, for this emulator, let's see. As soon as you run the application, the tool window would be open, and it is not okay always. But for example, I'm checking the logcat. I have to switch back and see and minimize the tool window. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Should come. Yeah, as you can see, it just came. So to avoid this, you have to go here and remove this one. By doing that, this tool window wouldn't be open anymore. So if I close it, if I rerun, I didn't know that there is an option to avoid this, and I'm very happy now because it was bothering me a lot. Let's go to the next one. This one was very quick and easy. Let's go to the next one. It is about enabling ligatures mode, and it allows us to display special combined characters, which called ligatures. So to doing that, you have to go to the setting, and here just search for font. I do go searching for font, and I will find enabling ligature. As you can see here, all these characters, right? If I disable them, then it's gonna be like this, like a normal one. But if I enable them, they're gonna be combined, and for example, they're gonna be look like a arrow, and it is very much more readable, at least for me. So I always do this. Let's get back. So this one also was very simple and quick, but very important. Let's go to the next one, query logs using key values. So when I want to debug and see what is happening, I usually use log.d. I usually use Timber actually, and sometimes println. But as you know, there will be too many different logs that you have to avoid. To doing that, you need to know how this, uh, how we can query logs, how we can just remove some of the tags. So let's go through very quickly. For example, here with the tag, as you can see here, with the tag, you can avoid, you can just filter the tag that you want. Here you can filter the package that you want, the process that you want, the message and the level. And the last and very important one is the age. For example, if you want to have only for like a 10 minutes back logs, then you have to, as you can see here, for example, 5 m or 10 m, it would be 10 minutes ago. Only the logs which is coming for 10 minutes ago would be filtered, and you would see only them. And also you can negate, remove some of the tags or messages, like with negation operator. For example, as you can see here, so you can go with the dash tag colon my tag. So here what we do, what would happen is whatever tag, whatever log which has my tag as a tag name, it would be filtered out and you wouldn't be able to see. So as you can see here, for example, I don't want any Perseus tag to be displayed in the log, no chatty, or as you can see, Firebase performance tag also I'm trying to filter out. So and my log would be easier to read and easier to follow what is happening, what are the more important logs can be. So yeah, that is it. Let's go to the last one, which is my favorite. I mean, there are many shortcuts for sure, but these are my favorite ones. So the first one is command plus P, which shows the function arguments. For example, if I go here, for example, this function, which is wait, if I do this, you will see you can pass wait, and also you can pass fill as a, which is a boolean. So it is very handy when you're just typing, going around, just command P, and you see this function takes 4 different arguments, as you can see. So this is very handy for me also. The next is so if you're working on a very big project, it is difficult. For example, other people have written the other part of the code, and you want to remember, for example, one specific class where it is, and later on you want to have access to that. So for me, I use F3 or command plus F3 bookmarks to bookmark the line that I want. So let's go and see how it works. Let me just close this one. So for example, even we have a window for bookmark. I should be here. I'm not able to find it. Let me just go search for it. Bookmark window. It should be a tool window, bookmark window. Yes, as you can see, I've added like these bookmarks here and there. And the thing is that if you press F3, for example, right here, I can add one more. And even I can create a list. For example, if we are working on different module, for example, it is a home module, you will put as home module here. And next time, if you want to bookmark a line which is in home module, you go here. When you press F3, you will see this, and you can choose to which list you want to add it. For example, I'm going this time for the home module, then it's gonna be here. And also, if you press command plus F3, you will see the list of the bookmarks also here and also here on this window. So this is very useful for me when I'm working on a big project. So I want to remember exactly what I have changed, where is the mapper, where is the domain, where is the part that I have changed in that module. So I usually do this. Next is Control plus tab, which opens the switcher. And let me show you guys. So with switcher, you can quickly go, for example, to boilerplate. You can change the code that you want to see, and also what you can see that all the windows will be here. For example, I want to see Gradle. Okay, I can press just 5 and Gradle would be here. This is also very handy when you want to navigate. I guess, yeah, and that's it. So this video was very short. I'm still working on the Eggmaster. Hopefully we're gonna finish it very fast, and see you in the next video.